Eastleighwood Youth Forum is a media-based and youth-led organization that is based in Nairobi's Eastleigh estate. Eastleighwood Youth Forum was started in 2011 after the Kenya Defence Forces went into Somalia and Eastleigh. Its population and businesses were under the propaganda attack that was formulated by the media. This organization was started to tell our perspective of the story of the Somali Kenyans, Eastleigh's story, and to fight the propaganda that is the Somali population in the country that was behind the terror activities that were being witnessed for the first time. We also fearlessly countered the propaganda that Eastleigh's booming businesses were benefiting from piracy money from Somalia. Eastleighwood Youth Forum has always been in the forefront in fighting for the good name of Eastleigh and ensuring that there was security and peaceful coexistence between Somalis and non-Somalis. We did this by engaging the youth and training, entertaining, and making them do meaningful things in life, then engage in crime or fall for the terror call. We also do forums where we bring Somalis and non-Somalis together so that we understand and accommodate each other as neighbors and fellow citizens. The intolerance and intertribal and interreligious clashes we used to witness in Eastleigh are things of the past. Eastleigh Youth Forum's efforts have borne the fruits of flourishing businesses and peaceful coexistence we see today. Eastleigh Youth Forum is seeking to partner with Eastleigh business community in selling Eastleigh as a business hub and peaceful estate so as to counter the negative image the mainstream media portrays about it. Eastleigh Youth Forum will do media advocacy and will produce a monthly 2 to 5 minute documentary series that sell Eastleigh as the Dubai of today. We will also use our Eastleigh news magazines in showing what people can get and where. When they come for shopping in Eastleigh, we will give coverage to malls that are registered with you and show what they sell and how competitive they are in their businesses. We will lastly give special coverage to Eastleigh business communities events so as to show that you stand for the people and business of Eastleigh and you are committed to serve their interests first. Through our 9,000 proactive youth network, we will show the world that Eastleigh is where they can get all they want and Eastleigh is the home of peace and beauty.